Want to become a millionaire in 2025? Not in a decade, this year. Stop scrolling. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to focus on to leap from survival mode to 7 figures. This isn't about luck or lottery tickets, it's about strategy, mindset, and action. The gap between where you are and where you want to be is smaller than you think, but it takes a new way of thinking and working. If you're done playing small and want real financial freedom, this is for you. We'll break down the exact frameworks that separate the wealthy from the wishful thinkers. Stick around. Step 6 is the one most people skip, and it's why they never reach the top. Let's get into it. The first step isn't about money, it's about rewiring your brain. Most people operate on a scarcity mindset. I can't afford that. It's too risky. Millionaires see money as a tool, not a goal. Delay gratification. Millionaires look poor for a few years so they can be wealthy for life. Stop waiting for permission. Decide you're worthy of wealth and take full responsibility for your financial situation. Wealthy people use leverage, investing in skills, relationships, and systems to multiply results. Upgrade your mindset like installing new software. See opportunities, not problems. Investments, not expenses. Trade money for time, not just time for money. Delegate, automate, and focus on high-leverage activities. Before you think about business models, do a mental audit. Where are you operating from scarcity? Where are you choosing comfort over growth? Identify and replace limiting beliefs with abundance, discipline, and ownership. This is your foundation. Without it, everything else crumbles. Audit your thinking, upgrade your operating system, and get ready to build. Now let's talk about your wealth vehicle. With the right mindset, you need the right vehicle. A regular job won't get you to $1 million. It's like driving a Pinto to the moon. You need a scalable income stream. Here are 4 powerful options. Digital products. Create once, sell infinitely. Think courses, ebooks, software, massive margins, automated sales. Service plus systems. Solve high-value problems, then systematize and delegate. Move from freelancer to business owner. Content plus audience. Build a loyal following on YouTube, podcasts, or social media. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and your own products. Smart investing. Use capital to buy cash-flowing assets, real estate, businesses, or private loans. Usually comes after you've built capital. Don't try to do all 4. Pick one vehicle that fits your skills and interests. Commit to it for the next 3-5 years. Digital products require marketing chops. Service businesses need people skills. Content takes time but builds a moat. Investing needs capital. There's no best vehicle, only the best for you right now. Choose one, focus, and go all in. Don't spread yourself thin. The right vehicle plus focus is how you build real wealth. Ready? Let's talk about focus. Most people fail at execution. The secret? Ruthless focus. In a world of distractions, focusing on one objective is a superpower. Pick your vehicle, then pick the one skill that drives results. Copywriting, sales, video editing, whatever it is. Go deep, practice daily, read, take courses, but most importantly, do the work. Set a 90-day specific measurable goal. Example, sign 1 high-ticket client or sell 10 courses. For 90 days, eliminate everything that isn't your goal. No new ideas, no distractions, no excuses. This isn't about balance, it's about sprinting hard to build momentum. Start messy. Perfectionism kills progress. Your first attempts will be rough. Embrace it. Track your inputs, cold emails sent, videos published, hours practiced. Focus on what you control. Momentum beats perfection. Push your flywheel until it spins on its own. Don't stop to chase shiny objects. Commit to one thing and push until you break through. The world rewards those who finish, not those who dabble. Focus is your multiplier. Now let's add leverage. 16. Today, you can build $1 million business with a laptop and AI tools. No big team required. Use AI for content creation. Brainstorm, outline, draft, and repurpose across platforms in minutes. AI can design your website, generate graphics, and even write code. No need to hire expensive pros. Supercharge Marketing AI writes ad copy, emails, and personalizes outreach. It analyzes your audience so you can speak their language. Automate repetitive tasks, schedule posts, use chatbots for customer service, and set up automated email sequences. Every task you automate buys back your time for high-leverage work. Think of AI as your tireless assistant. You direct, it executes. You don't need to be a tech genius. Most tools are user-friendly. Spend a weekend learning the basics. Prompt engineering is a superpower. The leverage AI gives you is the difference between hustling and scaling. Use your robot army to multiply your output. Now let's make you unforgettable. 13. In the age of AI, your humanity is your edge. Your story, perspective, and personality are your most valuable assets. Build a personal brand. Be known for something specific. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Share your journey publicly. Document your wins and struggles. People connect with progress, not perfection. Create value-driven content consistently. Teach, solve problems, and give away your best ideas. Consistency beats quality at the start. Pick a schedule and stick to it. Your brand becomes a magnet. Clients and opportunities come to you. The stronger your reputation, the less you have to chase. Don't overthink it. Your brand is what you're good at and willing to talk about. Start creating content about your chosen vehicle and journey. Be authentic, generous, and consistent. Over time, you'll build a loyal tribe that amplifies your message. Your personal brand is your ultimate leverage. Now let's talk about keeping your money. This is the step everyone skips, but it's the bedrock of wealth. You can make $1 million, but if you don't manage it, you'll lose it. Track every euro. You can't manage what you don't measure. Cut waste. Is that subscription or takeout worth more than your freedom? Live below your means and reinvest the difference. Fight lifestyle inflation. Reinvest profits into your business first. Better tools, help ads, accelerate your cash flow. Build an emergency fund. 3-6 months of expenses. It's your safety net and lets you take smart risks. Once your business is stable, invest in assets that generate passive income, stocks, real estate, etc. Use active income to buy passive streams. That's financial freedom. The process: make money, track it, avoid lifestyle creep, reinvest, build a safety net, buy assets. It's simple, repeatable, and boring, but it works. Most people fail because they get impatient or undisciplined. Don't be most people. Master your money and you'll keep your wealth. 15. Want to be a millionaire in 2025? Upgrade your mindset, pick a scalable vehicle, use AI, build your brand, invest wisely, and stay consistent. This isn't a suggestion, it's a blueprint. The path is clear, but it takes dedication and courage. The difference between who you are now and who you'll be is the work you do when no one's watching. The reward? Freedom over your time, choices, and life. If you're serious, grab my ebook for deeper money mastery books to read.com/u/4gbodx. Subscribe for more. Let's build wealth the intentional way.